Oh, hi.
Hello there. Today is an exciting day because I was supposed to work a double and now I've got the night off with my baby.
Oh,
so we are going to go lay in the sun and float on some water, and we're gonna bring you with us.
And go swimming.
Well,
we're gonna go swimming.
He's gonna go swimming and I'm gonna dip my head in because I just finished my tattoo. Let's go. I'm so excited to spend the night with my baby. Mountain life. There's sand under my feet.
Living the best life. We live the best life.
That's so sweet. Cheers.
To you.
To us. Look at you. You're so cute.
We are out here watching lakes, catching some rain. Out here on this lake. Out here on this lake. I'm glad.
Woohoo! Love living in the mountains. When baby's into his book and I'm hungry.
Mama's taking over here. Wow. Daddy's just chilling. Oh gosh. Look at this life. Look at this life. Look at this life. We live real good. Easy.
Woo!
Hi, Mama. Come here. That was terrible. There you go. Okay. Oh yeah, people are right. We're in public. I forget sometimes. Okay.
Adventures with my baby. Boom, boom, boom. I'm fine, guys. Everything's fine.